Guys, good morning. Today is another day and another video. It was been quite a while since the last time I uploaded the video because I was just not feeling good last week and before that. Oh yeah, last week, yes, I was not feeling good because I have some issue with my pimple. This is not pimple. Mole last week. So I went to see a dermatology. The problem with this was that it was got swollen, and I thought it was the pimple, a normal pimple, but it wasn't. There is a medical term of that, the name of the thing on my mole, because it was really inside the mole that infections. I got infected. So then when it gets burst, its blood is coming out, and there's no pus, just blood. So the doctor has given me some. I was on medication for 1 week, and it will get finished on Thursday. The medication. So anyway, and again I have to see a doctor on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Yes, just to see if how it goes. Otherwise, if it's not healed yet, then the last option is that they have to remove my entire mole, which is not, I'm not really ready for it because I had this mole since birth. So I had this mole. So I don't want to remove this actually. So let's see what the doctor says on Thursday. So, but I don't want to remove this actually. So I'm trying to save it. I told to the doctor that try to save it because I don't, removal is not, it will not be my option, I said. But then, of course, if there's no other options, if the doctor says has to remove it, otherwise the infections will, what we call this, it will like shattered, or it will spread. So that it will spread, so better to remove. It seems. And now today I'm going for another appointment for my dermatologist again. I have so many issues on my skin. I have some allergies. I my skin are very my skins are prone for allergies. So even here, so I have this one here. This is not also, it's just like a pimple actually. Anyway, it's a pimple only. And my appointment today is for the removal of this skin tag, because lately it's just giving me so much of discomfort, and it itches a lot. So when I itch every time, it bleeds. It bleeds and it got a wound. So and then becoming what you call, becoming so dry. So last week, the same time when I've gone to check my mole infections, the same time I asked my doctor too if she could able to remove this one as well. And I have also small ones here, which is can be done also today. So last week they have here last week, because I am under I have an insurance. So first my doctor has to ask for the approval for my insurance to do the procedure. Otherwise, I have to pay from my own pocket, and that is not it's costing me a lot. So it's costing me around 600-700 dirhams to remove just this. So because it will take like about 1 hour, 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes, like that. So it will take time, and then it cost me 600. But if it is covered from the insurance, then I don't have to pay anything. I just have to pay around 17 dirhams. So 17 dirhams just have to pay. It's just like the consultation I have to pay. Then now the now is my schedule for this, because since last week my doctor has sent approval, and it was approved it was approved by my insurance that this can be done. So now today, what is today? Today is Tuesday. Now today is my schedule 10:20 actually, and now it's 8:30. So for now I just have to eat my breakfast, then I'll go. So for now, what breakfast I have here is I'm very healthy today. So this is the, as you can see, you can see that This is the, and here, the white one is the sour cream, and this one is the 100% sunflower seed bread. Because nowadays I don't eat normal bread. Actually, it's not healthy if it's every day. Then I'm not eating that. Instead, I'm eating this one. I like it. I have this. This is our too good. This is banana. This is banana. This is a shake. So this is a banana and blueberry, and I don't use sugar because banana is already it's already sweet, and blueberry is also sweet. So I don't put sugar on it. I just put I don't also use milk because I don't really like milk. So I'm not a milk person. So I'm using coconut water. Coconut water I'm using for this. A fresh coconut water. Very nice. I'll show you something. My husband, they have sale going on, no? From the shop brands. Last Thursday, no, not Thursday, Wednesday. My husband's my husband's company. They own some brands like Disingua. Like for example, Zara, H&M, but H&M does not belong to them. I'm just giving you the example, but what their company, which brands their company owned. So one of that is Disingua. So this is the Disingua brand. I think this is a French brand. I'm not sure, but I think so. Okaidi also is belong to them. So anyway, they have sale going on. That was last week. Yes. So my husband takes some. He bought some wallets for me. But the problem is no money. Just the wallet. Anyway. So this is the wallet. So this is he got this for me. And look at the price, guys. I cannot see. It is 269. After discount, it's going to be 80 dirhams. So it's become 80 dirhams. 269 and after sale, 80 dirhams. Yeah, this is a French brand. So anyway, so this is the one. This is the wallet. I can show you. I love this where you can put your pictures in it. Another one. So it's perfect for us. My picture, my husband's picture, and my daughter's picture. So it's perfect. And then here, you can put so many compartments for cards. So many here, and even here also. And you can put some money here, and you can put something here also. And then here also you can put something. So here, and also here. You can also put here. And then what I like this one is that this one also in here in this compartment. It has a zipper. See? And where you can put your coins. So this is what he got from me. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or I'm just gonna give it to someone. But I like this one. Maybe most probably I'll keep this one. But that is one I have. And the other one I have this. Coins. I don't really like the color. But anyway, that's fine. I don't really like brown color. It's nothing. Just so you have to put your coins. You want put coins. I like this when I go to fish market. Just easy to carry, yeah. just to put your cash here. Because in the wet markets and the fish market, we call it wet market and fish market, same. But anyway, in the fish market, they don't accept cards, so you have to pay by cash. So this one, what I love the color. See, nice color. It is like an abstract. Nice, yeah. And the same one only it is. It's like a coins purse. And this one, it cost 109 dirhams, and it's down to 30 dirhams. The same one for this as well. This one is 109 and down to 35 dirhams. So this is cheaper but nicer compared to this, compared to the other one. So at the moment, I'm using this right now, this wallet actually. My husband feels sorry for my wallet, that's why he get me new ones. So as you can see, it's all faded. But I love this one. The reason of this, I love this is because there are so many compartments for cards. See, as you can see, I have Metro card. So this one, and this is for the money. The problem with this is there's no space, there's no compartment for coins. So that's it. So this one, I like this one. So still I'm using this until it gets damaged or whatever. So I'm still using this one. By the way, I'll show you my wallet. What's inside my wallet? So inside my wallet is, I have this. This is actually for Chuck E. Cheese, my daughter. She played this place. It's like indoors. It is an indoor where you could play so many games. So this is the place. I don't know what you call it. And this is it has still money here, so I have to take her actually. I have around 100 dirhams. And this one is 100 dirhams plus. This is from Global Village, but Global Village is already closed. So most probably, I hope I could still able to use this on next winter. Because actually they will close on, I think they closed last Sunday. Last Sunday was their last, and then last day was their last. I think they will reopen again on October or November. I'm not sure, but normally they open on winter because summer here is so hot. So this is what inside my card, inside my wallet. And then I have your bus card. Actually, I have 3 bus cards because in case if we just for fun, we will go in the metro or something. And then this is my daughter's bus card also. It's customized. So she gets discount, 50% discount if she use any RTA transportation. And then we have it here, our IDs, my ID and my daughter's ID. So this is our residence ID in Dubai. Okay. So here, this is actually this is my alumni association ID card where I have graduated in university. So this is my ID. I was studying in University of the Visayas. I studied in University of the Visayas. So this is my graduation picture, and this is my alumni ID. So anytime if I want to go back to the school, or I want to go just for a tour or something, I just have to show this card. So they let me in. And I have this. This is something in Philippines actually. This is another where my saving goes. And this is my card. And another more. Because when I go for grocery, paying for school, So I'm doing all that. Sometimes my husband does, sometimes I do it when I want anyway. And for here, and also I have here, this is a insurance, this is a FEL health in Philippines. This is a health insurance that every year I have to pay. It's a government insurance. And then I have here, this is the cash I have, 200. I don't really put cash in my wallet, only this time because I need to have it changed, because my daughter he's going to bring some money in at the school. For they have the school are organizing book fairs, so they can go in a auditorium and pick up some books that they like, and you have to pay for it. So that's why I have to give some money to my daughter. And I have here 5 dirhams and some coins. That's it what's inside my wallet. So I have to finish my food quickly so I can go to the clinic, and I see you around quickly.